what is going to happen after your constellation? First of all, it is very likely that you'll feel super tired. That is okay. You may feel tired and need to sleep immediately, some hours after, the next day. It is okay if you feel so for 3 days. It is completely natural because you're changing something into your subconscious. You're changing something into your system, into your electromagnetic field. So it is okay, your body is readjusting. Simultaneously with that, or after that, you will start getting inspired ideas. You'll start feeling, I need to go and walk. I need to call this person. I want to talk to mom. I want to take a teddy bear with me. As well, you'll start seeing things that are not in harmony with you anymore. These are some examples. We have wonderful plants. You can see I have plants in here, and sometimes I observe that some of the leaves are not doing well. I'm cleaning that out. The same may happen with you after the constellation. You may observe things that are not on your frequency anymore because you have changed your frequency. Therefore, maybe a dress or some pants that were a shirt that you loved before, suddenly they feel too old. Suddenly they feel uncomfortable on your skin. It's itchy. That is a sign that that thing is not in harmony with you and we need to cut. Because what we desire is, we don't desire us to go back on this frequency and be in harmony with this disorder. We desire to stay in the new frequency, in the order. Therefore, we're changing the environment so it can be in resonance or correspond to our new frequency and new reality. It may even happen that your tastes are changing. You start dressing differently. Maybe it's gonna be more elegant, more sexy, more feminine, more masculine. Maybe your food tastes are gonna change. You want to eat more healthy juices. You listen to your intuition and you adjust. And the same is gonna be with some people. Suddenly you'll feel that you're not in resonance with some people. Please don't force and don't suppress your soul to be with those people that were using, misusing you, abusing you, not seeing you, because your soul starts becoming strong enough, seeing clearly, and doesn't want to be with some people. So please respect it, because you're gonna wake up, open your eyes, and you're gonna see things that you don't see until now. This is the constellation work. Respect it. That's why you are here. You've desired to do some healing, to experience some healing. You're getting it now. Therefore, please respect it and take it in.